Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how to get 4,000 watch hours in less than 3 days. That's what it took me at least while uploading 3 videos a day. The first thing you do is go to YouTube and sign completely out. After that, go to your log and delete everything. After deleting everything, close Chrome and reopen it. Go to YouTube and search for your channel. After that, go to one of your public playlists and open it. Turn the sound on the video and turn down the graphics to the lowest and duplicate the tab. While recording, I can barely duplicate 3 tabs, but I usually have 5-10 tabs open. So what you do is actually let the video keep running while you do something else. And be sure to loop the video if you are going AFK, because or else it might open up another random video. And also, if you were to go AFK, be sure to be there sometimes, because sometimes it asks if you are still watching, and if you don't answer, your video will not be played. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and let me know if you have any questions you want to ask, or if there was a problem understanding in the comments.